there guys, I'm back again, and today it is time to unbox my favorite box out there, which is the new Styletone box. Before we get started with the video, I want to kindly remind you guys to enter my giveaway. We are close to giving away that satchel filled with makeup. Make sure to check out one of my previous videos. You'll see it in the title. It's open worldwide. Make sure to check out that video because I have something so freaking cool that I want to give away. But first we need to settle that giveaway, and you can enter the giveaway international. Like I said, we need to reach 600 subscribers in order to give that away, so make sure to check it out. Okay, so I took the liberty of opening up the box, and it's packed full, and this is the inside of this month's box. Okay, so let's start off with, I guess, something that's really, really big in here, which is from Garnier. It's the Amber Solaire Eco-Designed SPF 50. That is always great. This is what that little sucker looks like. With the summer, you know, coming up. It's only, I wanted to say March. It's not March, it's April, but I love the fact when a company sends these like way in advance, like January, February, March, April. And I hate it when they send these in July or August when summer is practically already over, because now I can actually use this. So that is amazing. Let me check in the booklet. It's right over here. No, this is SPF 50. Okay, in the booklet it says 30, doesn't matter. So the Garnier Amber Solaire Eco-Designed is clearly a full size, and the worth is $14.99. Okay, let's move up to another big item in here, which is from Kneipp, and this is a shower foam. Looks very springtime-ish, if you know what I mean. I mean, the bottle itself looks like spring in a freaking bottle. So this is what it looks like. Let me check the booklet. Clearly this has to be a full size, and the shower foam costs €8.49. Okay, moving on to another big item, because we got quite a few like big items and small items in here. So I want to kind of get the big items out of the way. This is the Aquafresh Senses Energizing Grapefruit, Lemon, and Mint. This is what that box looks like, but honestly, nobody really cares about the box. I mean, let's be honest. So let's open it up. There we go. And this is what it looks like on the inside. And we already received this in a Velux box way before, back when this whole Styletone box was still the Velux box. I think it was last year or the year before that. But hey, always good to have one. It's over here. So the Aquafresh toothpaste is €2.29. Okay, let's move on to something else in a box. This is Collagen on Call. Really? Overnight facial lift. This is a night cream. Wow, that actually works out perfectly, because my night cream, I have enough to use it for tonight and then I'm done. So I'm really happy we got this, and the brand is from Dirty Works. It replenishes and repairs, brightens, hydrates, plumps, lifts, and firms. I'll be the judge of that after I've used it, but I am so freaking happy that we actually got a night item in here instead of all those moisturizers that we always receive. And you know, I have so many moisturizers, I need something for the night, so I'm so freaking happy it's in here. I will say the tube looks kind of cheap, like, I'm not gonna lie. This looked beautiful, the box, but the tube looks kind of cheap, like, you know. I hope you understand what I mean. This is what it looks like. Now let me check the booklet. Oh, it's right over here. It's from Dirty Works. Like I said, the overnight facial lift is worth €6.50. Okay, let's move on to a mud masky. This is a hair mask, scalp treatment, and miracle shampoo 3-in-1 formula, and I think we already received this in the past and I did not like it. I don't know if this is the same thing or not. I'll have to try it out. This repairs hair, strengthens hair, hydrates hair, moisturizes scalp, and dandruff control. So this is what it looks like. Now let's check out the booklet. It says the Mud Masky hair treatment is worth 24 whopping euros. I don't know why Mud Masky is so ridiculously expensive and everything, but they are. So there's that. Okay, moving on to the last item, I think. No, almost the last item in the box. Not in this box, but like in a box, that's what I meant. This is a limited edition Bright Me Up Serum from London Botanical. Okay, it's a gel serum with pineapple extract, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. Okay, sounds good. So this is what that box looks like. And now we're gonna open up. So much cardboard. I have to recycle afterwards. This is, again, with the cheap looking tubes. I don't know, the boxes look amazing, but the tubes kind of, you know, just a flimsy, regular old white tube. I don't know. I hope y'all know what I mean. I'm not nitpicking here, like, I'm sorry, but it just kind of looks cheap. Okay, so this is what that little fella looks like. Now, let me check out the booklet. And I can't find it. Oh, it's the last one. So the London Botanical Bright Me Up Serum is... No way. Okay, so it says over here that the worth is 64 euros and 36 cents. The hell with that. If this stuff was worth that much, it would have come in a little bit of a fancier bottle. That's all I'm gonna say about that. Okay, moving on to the last item that is in a little box here, and that is from Model Co. It's the Clear Brow Gel. So I wanted to say, let's see what it looks like, but I think everybody knows what a freaking brow gel looks like. Come on out of there. Oh, it's so freaking cute with like the pink brush. Oh my god, it is so girly, yet kind of sophisticated as well. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it looks girly, but it looks so awesome at the same time. I love the fact that this brush, like the whole brush, not just the stick, but like the entire brush is in pink. I love it, even though I hate pink. Like, I'm gonna be honest here, I'm not like a goth queen. I know it kind of looked like it today, but I just never really liked pink. But this is so freaking cool. Okay. Let's see, Model Co. Eyebrow Gel is worth 14 euros and 42 cents. Okay, we still got so much stuff in here. So let's start off with a nail polish from Essence, the Pretty Fast Nail Polish, 40 seconds express drying. In the color number 1, Quick and Pink. This is what it looks like. It's a very pastel pink, like light pastel pink color. It's very pretty. Let's see what the worth is. It's usually around $1 or so, I think. Yeah, the Essence nail polish is worth €1.29. Okay, so let's move on to something that is in here that we already received in another box, and I've tried it out, and it was not my color for my face. I tried it out like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I threw it out. This is from May or Mai. I'm not really sure how to pronounce this particular brand. So this is the banana setting powder with added hyaluronic acid, and it sucks that it usually just does not match my face. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it away to one of you guys. This is from May Beauty. It's the banana powder, and the worth is 17 euros and 52 cents. So moving on to Bellapierre Volumizing Mascara, and this is what it looks like, and as y'all can see, it's got that great living plastic over it, which I hate, but I'm not going to get it out just yet because, thank goodness, we have the wand right here in the picture, so we know what the wand looks like. I don't have to open the entire freaking mascara and let air in, and then it dries out, and it just sucks because I don't know when I'm going to wear this. So the Bellapierre mascara is worth 19 euros and 99 cents. Another item in the box is, we got 2 more items, and then the box is empty, by the way. This is from Golden Rose Matte Metallic Lip Crayon. What in the world? This is for your lips? Like, seriously, can I just twist it open? Of course I can't. Why make it easy when we can make it so much harder? Okay, y'all are gonna have to give me a minute. It's literally gonna take a second in the video, but I'm gonna be here probably for about 10 minutes just trying to get this stuff off. Okay, so I got it out. It's in the color 0I10A, because Golden Rose usually doesn't have, oh no, I'm lying, excuse me. It's in the color number 3. I'm an idiot. Okay, so this is the crayon. I'm not really sure what this is gonna look like. Whoa. First of all, the color is quite brown, and on top of that, even though I love me a good metallic lipstick. Metallic lipsticks don't work out for my particular face. So, and I already swatched it. I'm an idiot. Okay, I'm gonna give this away to a friend whom I know this particular color is gonna look great, and hopefully I'm gonna see her soon. So, yeah, that's a bummer. Let me check out the booklet. So you can get 3 colors, and of course I had to get the brown, and the worth is €9.95. Okay, last item in here is something. Epke Zonderland. Oh, that's, I guess, this person. I have no idea who that is. Oh, this is for men. I'm not a dude. But I can give it away, of course, to a dude. So, let's get it out of there. This is teeny tiny little sample size. So basically this is a shaving gel and an aftershave lotion in one, for men, of course. So this is what it looks like. Basically this is an extra because I can't find it in the booklet either. And you have a coupon code. So the coupon code is 15% off of your first, like, pot, whatever you want to call it, tube, and the code is ST15. So if you or your boyfriend or your father wants to give it a try, then make sure to enter this coupon code. I'm sorry, I thought I was knocking on the door, but it's actually my dryer, so. Okay guys, and that is it. The box is empty. I think this is a decent, solid, good box. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about this month's box? Don't forget to enter my giveaway. Please, 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 please. I cannot wait to give it away. I want to start something so freaking cool, but we need to, you know, end this giveaway. So you guys can help me out by reaching 600 subscribers, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!